Hey guys, my name is Varad and today I'm going to show you how to install Genymotion on PC. So first you need to have VirtualBox installed. Links in the description for download. It's pretty easy. Then go to the Genymotion site, link in the description, and click sign in. If you don't have an account on this site, you need to create an account. Yes, it's free, but it still needs an account for that. Then after signing up and or logging in, you will get this page. Then click download, the top right side. Then it will directly take you to a page on which it will detect your system, and then as per the system you will get which version you need to download. After downloading, if you are on Linux Ubuntu, press Ctrl Alt and T to open the terminal. On the downloaded Genymotion file, click properties, permission, and click allow executing file as a program, and just drag it on the terminal and press enter. You will be encountered with this thing, so click yes, that is why, and press enter. It will find the VirtualBox tool set if it is, and then installation will be done. It's pretty easy. Then go to your home or whatever you have, and then find a folder called Genymotion, which is here, and then find the Genymotion program or file, you can say, and just wait. So as I have already logged in, I have my files in here. I've already downloaded it, so it's easy. It's pretty easy. Click add any Android version you want. It's currently till 7.0.0, that's no good. And the device model is the size or the aspect ratio of the device. So for instance, the Galaxy S8 has 1440 into 2960 resolution, so it will be in the same resolution. It's pretty easy, and click next. So, and when you, it's like a setup, so it will download the files. After downloading the files, you can install, you can run Android on your PC. Thanks for watching.